Hello, and welcome to Channel Name. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most amazing processes, the water cycle. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from or how water gets recycled on our planet? Well, stick around because I'm going to explain it all in a super simple way. The water cycle is nature's way of recycling water. It moves water through different stages like evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. This endless cycle is what makes life on Earth possible. Isn't that amazing? The best part is, this cycle has been happening for billions of years. So, the water you drink today might have been part of a river, a cloud, or even a glacier thousands of years ago. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. When the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, or oceans, it turns into vapor and rises into the air. This process is called evaporation. It's like when you see steam coming off a hot cup of tea. As the water vapor rises, it cools down and turns into tiny droplets. These droplets come together to form clouds. This process is called condensation. When the clouds get heavy with water droplets, gravity takes over, and the water falls back to the ground as rain, snow, or hail. This is called precipitation. Finally, the water collects in rivers, lakes, or underground reservoirs. From here, the cycle begins again. The water cycle isn't just a scientific process. It impacts our daily lives. Rain helps our crops grow, fills up our lakes, and provides water for drinking. Even that refreshing shower you took this morning. Thank the water cycle for that. Now it's your turn. Can you name one stage of the water cycle? Drop your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to see how much you learned. To wrap it up, the water cycle is a never-ending journey that keeps life on Earth thriving. From evaporation to collection, each stage is crucial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Channel Name, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our fun educational videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.